My Maytag washer won't turn on and keeps making a beeping noise.
Is your Maytag washer top or front loading? How old is it?
It's a top load and probably 10 years old.
How long has this been going on with your Maytag washer? What have you tried so far?
It just started tonight and I pulled the plug to stop the beeping.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Hi, welcome to Just Answer. I'm Paddy and I will be your technician. If your Maytag washer beeps, it is an audible signal which the machine makes to alert you to an issue. The most common reason this will happen if the washer door has not been opened and closed for at least 3 cycles. This alert may also occur when the washer is first turned on. Power off and on the washer, then open and close the door several times to clear the alarm/beep. If this does not work and the beeping persists, the manufacturer advise calling a service engineer. I hope this helps. Paddy.
I am calling a serviceman.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.